on your front door says welcome. Wreaths can be made from various materials such as grapevines, wire, foam, pine cones, eucalyptus, straw, cardboard, and the list goes on. The shapes are also numerous. They can be square, round, oblong, and in the shape of objects. Today, the wreath is representing spring because bunnies, baby deer, chipmunks, and birds along with bees are seen in the environment. Also, butterflies and other flying creatures are seen when the weather warms up. Spring is a season of new beginnings. Fresh buds bloom, animals awaken, and the earth seems to come to life again. The supplies needed for this wreath are a template, one large and one medium. I use 2 different size plates, foam board from Dollar Tree to cut 2 large and 2 medium-sized circles, a black permanent marker, X-Acto knife, pen or pencil, 1 popsicle stick, a template of the bunny face, 4 bunches of large pink flowers and greenery from Joann Fabrics, 1 small green and pink berry floral garland from Joann Fabric, glue gun and glue sticks, pink ribbon with polka dots, this is from my stash, wire covered jute, 1 small leaf, some small pink flowers from Dollar Tree, and masking tape. So first, I cut 2 circles of different sizes that are connected. This will be your form for the bunny. You can use foam, board, or cardboard, but I chose to use the foam board because it is stiff and it holds the shape better. Next, I cut 2 separate pieces of different sizes to cover the back side of the bunny. And this again I used a dinner plate for the body and a salad plate for the head because they're not the same size. However, you can use a pencil compass or other round objects that you have in your home. The foam was carefully cut using an X-Acto knife. You need to be very careful. You don't want to put your fingers in the way. And once all of the pieces are cut, then the decorating can start. Now I made a template to trace over the face to use as a guide to color in the grooves because the foam board is a little soft. When you put your template down, you can trace over the eyes and the nose and the mouth and so on because it leaves a little groove, and then you can take the black permanent marker and go over the eyes and the nose and so forth. So it worked out really good. Now I made whiskers, but I changed it later after I started looking at the pink bows and the pink flowers, and I changed it to some pink rouge on the face, but you're not going to see that until the very end. Now it is time to put the garland around the face, and this was done using hot glue. And I had enough of the garland to make bunny ears because the garland has wire inside, so I was able to bend it in the form of ears. And I think it looks so cute just having the garland as the ears. And I secured the ears in the back of the foam board with masking tape and hot glue. Now it is time to put the flowers around the body. Now originally I thought I could push the stems through the foam and then hot glue around the body, but when I looked at the back it seemed to be a little bulky. What I ended up doing was cutting the stems very short and then hot gluing them around the body. I used some greenery to add some depth through the flowers, and it seems to all be coming together nicely. In working with the foam board, especially around the neck part, it started to get a little flimsy. So I took a popsicle stick and put it between the neck and the head to give it some support. So the popsicle sticks made the two pieces of foam very sturdy. So lastly, I made a simple bow and I clipped the ends in a dovetail method. And then I took this and put it between the ears on the head. And then I tied one around the neck and cut the ends of that bow at an angle. Now again, those whiskers are really bothering me. Gotta do something about it. On the reverse side, I put the circles on the back and hot glued one circle to the head, and that also covered the ears. And then I took the other one and covered the body part. That is the lower body part. I needed something to hang it with. So I had a wire covered jute and I just used a little bit of that and I used that as a hanger. And I hot glued that to the back with a leaf. I added some eyelashes and changed out the whiskers for some rosy cheeks. Yay! It's done, and I hung it on the front door, and I think it looks pretty good. I would do a lot of things different next time, but for right now, it is what it is, as they say. So if you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment if you so choose. And remember, unexpected kindness is the most powerful, the least costly, and the most underrated agent of human change. So I'll see you later. Bye-bye.